Welcome to Open Whispers channel. Kindly remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave your comments in the comment section below. Most importantly, remember to hit the bell sign to enable you get notified whenever we upload a new video. On July 24th, Tobi Amusan, a Nigerian athlete who won gold in the just concluded Women International Athletic Championship in the US, while receiving the medal and the Nigerian national anthem was being played, she cried. Her tears moved me, and in between her tears, she shook her head while the national anthem of Nigeria was being played. I was full of emotions. To me, Nigeria happened to her. To me, she cried because Nigeria, the giant of Africa, could do better than Nigeria is currently doing. Nigeria happened to her, and Buhari happened to all of us. A country where dollar is now exchanging to almost 1,000 naira in the exchange market or in the black market. A country that has no direction. A country where there are two laws, one for the minority and one for the majority. A country that has held Nnamdi Kanu and refused to grant him bail for months now, but a country that has granted Ahmed Idris, the former Accountant General of the Federation, that stole more than 109 billion naira, while ASU is on strike, and our children have remained at home for almost 6 months. While professors, about 429 of them, earn less than 100 billion annually, but about 429 legislators or senators earn more than 300 billion annually. Buhari happened to us. In Zamfara, in one of the states in Nigeria, there are warlords, bandits are being crowned kings. Bandits have overrun the states. The US latest bought Kanu will not invade them to take them out. They are being celebrated. The National Guard that guards the presidency, 3 soldiers among them were attacked and were kidnapped and killed. Nothing has been done. They are having a field day. Buhari happened to us. Kuje prison was attacked. No responsibility so far. Heads are yet to roll. Nobody have been held accountable. And we are going about as if nothing is happening. Buhari happened to us.
When I hear people declaring for APC, saying that they want to continue the good job of Mr. President, the good job of people dying every day, the good job of Naira falling every day, I feel so ashamed that we have gotten to the level where sacrificing, people will come and say, look, I want to continue the good job of Buhari. What is the good job of Buhari? Of hunger is a good job. Of poverty is a good job. Of insecurity is a good job. Of the economy falling is a good job. It's such a shameful thing. I can't believe that somebody will come out in today's Nigeria and say, I want to continue where Mr. Buhari has stopped. May God forgive.
Tinubu is running an election to continue the legacy of this administration that has run Nigeria aground. Buhari happened to us. A country that has no value for education. Things are going from bad, worse, and worse still. A loaf of bread that used to sell 300 naira now sells for 1,000. Is Buhari metrics. Buhari happened to us. A country, which most importantly, is holding somebody like Kanu for crying out against injustice for his people. Yet, bandits are being celebrated. What do you call that? Buhari matrix. It happened to all of us. 2023 general election is there. Let me hear from you. As Nigerian economy is collapsing, as insecurity has overrun that country, which way do we go? Will we be talking about religion? Shall we be talking about ethnicity at this point in time? Or do we go for a man, anybody that you know, that can deliver the dividends of democracy to the people? Rescue Nigeria from the current quagmire. Stop the insecurity that people in government have become corporates. Because it is said that, like you saw in the video, according to Chino Achebe, if a woman is dancing alone on the pathway, you don't hear any drums, and you don't see anybody beating it, that woman knows where the drum is coming from. The insecurity in Nigeria today, who is responsible? The bandits are threatening to kidnap the president of Nigeria. Buhari happened to us. The bandits are threatening to kidnap El-Rufai. What is going on? What is the connection? Why these two people? Who is responsible for the insecurity in Nigeria? Is it man-made? Or is it just something that we can gloss over and take it as the abnormal that has become norm in Nigeria? What is it? Buhari happened to all of us. 2023 election is coming again. Who will rescue Nigeria? Who will take us out from the woods? It's time for us to speak out. For all of you who are watching this video, share this video and ask yourself a simple question. Where do we go from here? Which way Nigeria? Buhari metrics. If somebody is campaigning, according to Wike, to continue the legacy of this present administration, that person is an enemy of the people. Let me know what you think. See something? Say something? Most importantly, do something. Somebody has offered to take Nigerian economy from consumption that has plagued our naira. 1,000 is changing to $1. And MFL, the country's politician, who is the governor of central bank, is still there. No accountability. Buhari happened to us. Be well, do good work, and please, do keep in touch. Which way do we go? Atiku? Do you articulate? Tinubu? Or are you obedient? The time to rescue Nigeria is now, and you cannot sit on the fence. Thank you. Subscribe, do good work, share the video, and please do something and keep in touch. Thank you, and may God bless you.